Hi, I'm Luca Maciocco, project manager of PRECURSOR, our 10 megawatts non-nuclear pool-type experimental facility, which serves as simulator to our commercial lead-cooled fast reactors. Actually, PRECURSOR is more than an experimental facility, as it simulates the whole power plant, including electricity production through a turbo generator, which makes it unique in the world. And today we are reaching a very important milestone, following the completion of the civil works in the ENEA building hosting the facility, which is the beginning of the mechanical installation. And this starts with the mechanical erection of the three main components of the lead handling system, which are the melting tank, where the lead ingots are loaded and melted, the storage vessel, where the 100 tons of lead are stored before the filling of the main vessel of the primary system and during maintenance operation, and the transfer vessel, which receives the molten lead from the storage vessel and pushes it to the main vessel of the primary system through pressurized argon gas. We have here Gabriele Corda, SRS installation manager. Gabriele, would you like to tell us which are going to be the next phases in the installation of the primary system here in the main hall of the PRECURSOR?
Yeah, Luca, we are going to install all the structures around the vessels so as to allow the accessibility and operability during the installation and maintenance of PRECURSOR primary system.
Anyway, this is the first solid deliverable of the PRECURSOR project, which is the fruit of the intense and skilled work of more than 100 people from newcleo, from SRS, from Fucina, with a constant support of ENEA. So I must say that we are very proud of this milestone and very determined for the challenges ahead to make PRECURSOR a reality.